According to Markets and Markets, the global MedTech market is estimated to grow to $700 billion by 2027. Where startups in this field are based is largely driven by proximity to research institutions and clusters of entrepreneurial talent. Malta has been able to attract cutting-edge MedTech companies like Omniscope who are using the immune system to inform diagnostics and therapeutic treatments. Kurt, the best founders have a lot of options available to them when they think about which jurisdiction they're going to locate their business in. What do you think sets Malta apart as a great place to build your business?
First of all, we're a European location, located exactly at the epicenter of the Middle East, Africa, as well as Europe. We definitely offer schemes and support measures in terms of grants and as well as loans, and as well as offering opportunities outside of the island for companies to be able to export their products and services.
What is the underlying technological breakthrough that you've been able to drive with Omniscope that's going to help improve therapies?
Fundamentally, our technology is the ability to read the immune system, to read millions of individual cells from the immune system. And this is a game-changing resolution, and that allows us to see the whole breadth and depth of the immune response to, say, an infection. And then once you have that level of resolution, what you get is incredible data. And data is then what feeds artificial intelligence and machine learning. What we're doing is we're decoding the immune response and gaining new insights. Yes, and then that leads to prediction of what kind of response you are going to get.
Well, a lot of what Kurt is talking about in terms of Malta Enterprise's capabilities to help a business not just start, but then scale and export. Do you anticipate that relationship between Malta Enterprise and Omniscope to continue to bring benefits longer term?
Our plan is to continue expanding our team here. As Kurt mentioned, the infrastructure, especially the IT infrastructure, is really good for us, being a company that has like a remote presence all over the world.
What are some of the elements that you've found most beneficial as you've been building out your technology team and engineering team here in Malta? What are some of the aspects of the Malta Enterprise programs and offerings that have been most beneficial to you?
So we see our relationship with Malta growing. Malta Enterprise has been really good to us. They were very prompt and efficient whenever we needed them, creating also these synergies that Kurt mentioned. So yes, we see the relationship growing. We want the talent pool has been amazing and want to continue growing there. And even like there are workers that want to relocate.
We support the game changers in the various industries through a grant which can go up to almost €1 million. Some would be repayable advance, which would be only paid after the company makes a profit. So there's the whole setting up and the whole R&D phase and development phase, which would be covered by a grant, which then can turn into a repayable advance once the company makes a profit. And that is why we are targeting the game changers in the various industries: medical technology, biotechnology, AI solutions, identification solutions, natural language processing. And that's why as a jurisdiction, we're looking at having a specific body of law to support startups, from fiscal incentives to grants, also to making it easy for startups to do business, because we know that the initial phase of a startup is always
there's all that inertia at the outset, and all that difficulty and normally red tape in other jurisdictions.
Exactly, and that is where we want to target.
You've got a lot of initiatives going on at Malta Enterprise. Out of all the companies that you could have supported, what set Omniscope apart as one that you wanted to get behind?
Companies like Omniscope are exactly where we want to be as a jurisdiction. First of all, we have a very traditional manufacturing sector, but we're also verging into the technology as well as the more knowledge-based economy. So Omniscope, with their cutting-edge technology and with technologies that are leading the way in terms of medical technology, biotechnology, that's exactly what we've been targeting as Malta Enterprise.